how to change that background on KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to change the that background on KakaoTalk. Let's get started. First, open the application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on the chat right here. Now open the chat. Now let's say you want to change this chat background of this conversation. All you have to do is tap on this three line at the top right here. Tap on this. Now here you can see settings icon right at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now once you tap on it, tap on settings again. Now here you can see wallpaper option. Just tap on it. Now you can see you can either choose the colors or designs, or you can also choose from your gallery. Then you just choose these colors right here. Tap on it and you can select any colors from here. So select it like this and go back. Now once you go back, you will see the color has been changed. And that's it. This is how easy it is to change the background color, or you can say change the chat background on KakaoTalk. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.